beside the nature, I mean close to the wild nature, that it really, I guess, reminds people of how important nature is to us.
Our idea of nature school we are building is to give opportunity to people of all age and kind to make a closer connection with nature and culture.
Now it's ready for us to put some soil inside, plant some flowers and make it look beautiful.
People can learn here all kind of different things, like permaculture, composting, planting trees, vegetables, flower, different kind of plants, and take care of them, as they are things that are as alive as we are. Visitors can learn how to work with wood, clay, and the whole process of planting the ancient wheat, einkorn, all the way to making and cooking the bread. And all together, how to appreciate life as it is, how to be thankful for everything we already have, and most importantly, how to be kind to one another. One of the nice things about the school is that it brings people of the same interest together, the interest of being close to nature and kind to everything and to anybody. Отче наш, който си на небесата, да се свети името Твое, да дойде царството Твое, да бъде волята Твоя, както на небето, така и на земята. Хлябът наш насъщни, дай го нам и днес.
Днес е доста по-сухо. Има нови и добри приятели. Задължително много проценти ще стига поне 5%. Чакам другата тава някой да дойде.
Хайде на обяд! Обяда започва!
I do have a spiritual teacher. His name is Ben Sedunu. His teaching is fundamentally based on Christianity. He is a founder of Panorhythmy. It's this dance that we play in the morning after sunrise. It's a dance set to music to promote social harmony, spiritual development and physical health. According to my teacher, the inner side of all religions is the same. There being one great truth, that of the relationship between the human soul and God. So my religion is love, wisdom and truth. The school is going to be a home for all kind of art, as music, drawing, painting and much more like science, healing methods and so on. We're in process of still building the school, so we create often events where volunteers can come and stay and help building the place. The idea of the whole thing is to be free of any fees for all visitors so that anyone can afford it.